Hi. Hi. This is my first ever YouTube video.
So today,
Shut up. This is my first ever YouTube video, so please don't criticize if it's not very good. Please don't criticize. It makes me sad. Okay, now on to the video. It's a tour of my granddaddy's house. Okay, just the bird. Just the bird. Just the bird. It's a crazy bird, so don't get mad if he squawks in your face. Okay, here he is.
Mango. Mango. Hi.
This Mango. Who's the colorful little blocks right there?
He's right.
Bye. No, I don't know how to turn this off. How do I turn this off? How do I what do I do? I don't know.
Write something to write.
Ava, it's recording, but I don't know how to. How do I turn it off? How do I turn this off? You know what? I think I'm just gonna put some music on the background. Not copyright. Not. Please don't report me. It's not copyright, I promise. Here.
I'm making really down.
You know what?